So the sun. Never mind. I think sometimes you need to leave to feel yourself again. And I think for most of the humans, being in the nature is something that you can feel yourself again, because we're so busy with our life, like busy life, all the cars, all the machineries, AI improvement, artificial intelligence, and all these things, and the noise is too loud. So okay, so this is how you will get distracted by the loud noises. But I think nature is the only place that you can heal yourself. Like, I can heal myself. Whenever I come to the nature, I feel happy. I feel like this is my place, and I feel peace. I think this is where you can find peace. There's no competition. Everything is beautiful. Nothing around you makes you feel bad or think that you are nothing. I mean, it can. I mean, sure. Obviously, when you look at the nature, you will think like, oh, we are nothing. Look at this beautiful nature. Look at this huge place. Is there any competition between them? I don't know, because we don't live obviously with them. But the whole point is that whenever life gets difficult, you need to just pack your bags and leave towards the nature to find yourself. The stress will go away, and you will look at the life when you go back with a new perspective, with a new vision. So just do it and enjoy it. Anyway, I give a lot of speech. Let's enjoy the nature.